Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to record a purchase voucher for reverse charge mechanism or RCM purchases. When you buy an RCM item or service from a regular dealer or unregistered dealer, you must pay GST to the department to avail input tax credit. As per the new rule by the department, in case of an RCM purchase, the purchase invoice must be issued within 30 days from the date of receipt of the supply. This video will take you through the process of recording a purchase voucher under RCM. Let's first see how to set up a stock item or service ledger for reverse charge mechanism. Press Alt-G, create master, stock item and press enter. Press F12 and set Enable Reverse Charge Calculation to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. In the stock item creation screen, enter the relevant stock item details and enable the option applicable for reverse charge under GST rate and related details. Press Ctrl A to save the stock item. Similarly, you can create a service ledger for reverse charge mechanism. Press Alt-G, create master ledger. Press F12 and set Enable Reverse Charge Calculation to Yes. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. In the ledger creation screen, enter the relevant ledger details and enable the option applicable for reverse charge under GST rate and related details. Press Ctrl A to save the ledger. Now, let's see how to record a voucher for the purchase of RCM goods. Press Alt-G, create voucher, and press F9 for purchase. Enter the supplier invoice number. Select the party and the purchase ledger. Select the stock item and enter the quantity and rate. The amount gets calculated. Press Alt-A to view GST tax analysis. As you can see in the note, the amount of tax is subject to reverse charge. You will get this note in the GST tax analysis of all RCM purchases. You can also enable the printing configuration to show GST tax analysis while printing the invoice. Press Alt-P, Current, Configure. Type or select the option Show GST Analysis and set it to Yes. Press Escape to save the configuration, then press I for preview. Amount of tax subject to reverse charge will be visible on the voucher. Press Escape. Similarly, you can view the GST tax analysis and configure to print the voucher with the amount of tax subject to reverse charge while recording other RCM purchase vouchers as well. Press Ctrl A to save the purchase voucher. Now, let us record a voucher for the purchase of an RCM service. You need to use the service ledger created for an RCM service during voucher creation. Press Alt-G, create voucher, and press F9 for purchase. Press Ctrl H and select Accounting Invoice. Enter the supplier invoice number. Select the party account name. Under Particulars, select the service ledger for an RCM service and enter the amount. Press Ctrl A to save the purchase voucher. In your business, if you want a stock item or ledger to be treated under RCM only in certain transactions, you can easily do that. TallyPrime provides you the flexibility to enable RCM applicability on the stock item or ledger at transaction level. Press Alt-G, create voucher, and press F9 for purchase. Press F12 and enable the option Modify GST and HSN SAC related details. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. Enter the supplier invoice number. Select the party and the purchase ledger. Select the stock item and enter the quantity and rate. The amount gets calculated. Press Enter. On the GST rate and related details screen, press F12 and enable the option Set Reverse Charge Applicability. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration. Modify GST details as required and enable the option applicable for reverse charge. Press Ctrl A to save the purchase voucher. Similarly, you can record the purchase of RCM goods and services from an unregistered dealer. Such transactions will be visible in the document summary section of GSTR1. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.